Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. This is Correct Bet. I want to drop these trees for you guys, but first of all I want to tell you guys, in case any of you that have Bet Naija VIP Club bet account for sale, you contact me on WhatsApp on 07036760527. I repeat, Bet Naija VIP Club account for sale, you contact me on WhatsApp on 07036760527. Let me drop these trees for you guys on how to get over one trees. Anytime you see 6.00 on our way like this, or 7.00 on our way, not for middle, not for draw like this. If you see it on our way, you play it over 1.5. Or you see odd like this, 3.60 for home with a big teams, you play it over 1.5. Do it to other leagues apart from this. Don't pick them here. Don't pick them on League One. Don't pick them on Serie A. You do this to other leagues. So another order I will show you is this. This one I have already started. Another order I'm showing you is this. If you see something like this, 16.00, play it over 1.5. You see something like this, 6.30, or you see 6.70, play it over 1.5. But the best is that 6.00 on our way, you play it over 1.5. So that, guys, don't forget, if any of you have Bet Naija VIP Club account, just let me know. Contact me on WhatsApp. If you have it for sale, contact me on WhatsApp on 07036760527. And don't forget, our teaching still available, and our VIP games, rollover odd of 1.30 odd is also available. Anyway, you can contact me on WhatsApp. This is Correct Bet. Don't forget to subscribe. Also turn on the notification bell. All right, thank you guys. See you on the next video.